Cooking with Kyler.
Today we're gonna make corn pudding. We're gonna start with our dry ingredients.
Okay, take that glass bowl there. 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Baking powder.
1.5 tablespoons of flour.
It's dry.
Yeah. Ugh.
It's good.
3 eggs, crack them in, lady.
No shells allowed.
Good.
I'm washing my hands. Is this cream or milk? Whatever it is.
That's cream. That's 1 cup of cream. So go ahead and pour that in, and then go ahead and it needs to be pulled back.
I'm gonna combine the cream to the eggs and mix them.
Okay, while you do that, I'm gonna melt the butter so we can also add that.
Oh my
I'll
god.
melt it in the microwave. Ah, the butter's ready. I found these in a package.
It's hairy. Look.
You gotta land the kernels into the bowl.
Clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Butter. It's in the shape of an angel. Look. Everybody look.
Wow, I see it, I see it. We might surprise you and add a little something at the end, just for inspiration. Eggs, cream, and butter. Whose can is it?
Not mine.
Oh.
Drain the liquid from the corn. First this.
Okay.
It's going in.
Going in. We got about 4 ears.
Wait, I want to do it.
Yes, please.
Dun 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 dun.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
We're gonna bake this for about 45 minutes to an hour.
At 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Paprika and nutmeg.
That looks nice. That's good. 1 serving. Just because I like to do things different. This is cotija cheese, which is a Mexican cheese. Just a little bit. We're not gonna use the whole thing. That's good for mine.
That's good, but it tastes like squeaky cheese.
Somewhat coarse, but you know. Ready? Watch. A little bit of red pepper flakes. Hey, thanks Francis again for this mighty fine suggestion.
Hot. But it's good.
Wow.
This is good.
Be inspired
Get creative.
and include the kids. See you next time, everybody.
Bye. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. This is so good.
It is good.
Bless you.